I know a lot of us are tired of working hard every day and just want to rest, wishing that money will fall into our lap. Well, look no further, because we might just have the solution to that. Money doesn't grow on trees, but in this day and age, there are a lot of ways how you can make a lot of money online without having to do any work at all. Just a few simple clicks are all it takes, and you can sit back, relax, and watch your funds grow. Yes, in today's video, I will be showing you a new method of where you can earn passive income online. The best part? This is 100% free. You don't need to invest anything or pay anything before being able to get started. It's not an MLM, and it's definitely not a scam. It's a simple website where you can help others earn money while simultaneously earning more money yourself. Confused? Don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly to you because all it takes is a few simple steps. No matter where you are in the world, whether you're from Malaysia, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, or somewhere else, this is something that you'll be able to do. Comment down below which country you're from because we know this is something available globally. We hope this video will help you out in making some income with little effort. So follow our instructions step by step and you'll learn how to do it. No hard skills or prior experience is required. This is easy to follow even if it's your first time on the internet because this is 100% beginner friendly. But before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to see more tips like this on our channel. Ring that notification bell and share this with all your friends so that you and everyone else will know of this great tip to earn money. If you enjoyed watching this video, consider leaving a comment down below with your thoughts and opinions. We'd love to hear from you. On this website, the earning potential is limitless. You can literally make up to tens of thousands of dollars a month because all you have to do is set up an account, complete a few easy steps, and you'll be able to make money right away. Today's website is called Kickbooster, the link being kickbooster.me, not .com. Make sure not to confuse the two or else you won't be able to find the website. If you've heard of freelance websites like Fiverr, then Kickbooster is almost the exact same thing. But no, we won't be selling our own products or signing up to be a freelancer. Instead, we will be signing up for the affiliate program in Kickbooster. I know the word affiliate makes you a bit apprehensive, but don't worry, this isn't anything complicated. It's 100% easy and simple, so stay around to see how you can make some passive income through Kickbooster. First, we have to go to their affiliate site by going to their website and clicking on Users, then select Affiliates. You will then be redirected to their affiliate site where they say earn rewards for sharing the projects you love. If you scroll further down, they explain a lot more about being a Kickbooster affiliate. You can use Kickbooster to create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects, meaning the projects that people sell on Kickbooster and then get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. It's very easy because you can share those affiliate links in your blogs, social media, emails, and whatever else. Then you can see the commissions roll in instantly. The more you share, the more you earn. It's very simple because once you share it, you don't have to do anything else anymore. You can just wait around until you earn more money once people start using your links. So you're literally earning money just for selling. How great is that? They specify the steps further on their page, and it's an easy 4-step process. First, you can sign up for free, which takes no more than 2 minutes. Next is browsing through Kickbooster for the projects that you want to share and promote. Third, share those links. Of course, the final step is earning the money. So without further ado, let's start creating that account. Continue scrolling down to the bottom of the page and click on Sign Me Up. You'll be sent to the register page where you have to fill up a few information such as your name, email, PayPal email. Password. And then the CAPTCHA. Make sure to check on the boxes where you agree to Kickboosters license agreement, terms of use, and privacy policy. Don't worry about the referral code, though it is an option to refer people to their affiliate program. And of course, if you do so, you will earn money from it. After signing up, you'll be able to process your very own Kickbooster affiliate dashboard, where you'll find all the analytics on your page. You can see how many campaigns you've boosted, how many clicks you've got, referrals, total amount boosted, total commissions earned, total paid to date, commissions in review, and next payment. Once you start sharing those affiliate links, this will start growing. So, how do you start? On your dashboard, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click Marketplace. Immediately, you'll be able to see a ton of campaigns made by other people and how much money they've made. At the left-hand bar, you can see the different categories available because there's so much to choose from. At the top of the products, there is a drop-down list where you can arrange your sorting view. Click on Commissions, high to low, so you can see the product where you can make the most out of commissions. Just sort through the products. Pick whatever interests you and click Boost this campaign. If you click their products, you'll be redirected to their campaign and once again click Boost our campaign. You will then be given a special link just for you, which you can share on different forums so you can start earning money. It's very simple, right? There's nothing to lose. So why not try it now? So as I've shown you, there are a lot of ways to be able to earn money online with very little effort, even if you don't have any hard technical skills. You only need to look at the right place, and that place is our channel. So watch out for more of our videos. We upload easy money making tips constantly. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I'm able to help you find a new way to make some passive income online without having to do anything. As always, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Maybe share this with your friends and family and be able to help out others too.